Hello, folks. Today I'm going to try and explain what I am doing with regard to composting. As you can see, this is the wet waste which is accumulated. Right, let's remove this. We have a small, this is where the other waste goes, basically plastic, and we have, this is some more garbage which is my neighbor has sent, which also is composted. Things like this, which is a paper bag, all can be composted, no problem. Those things also can be kept separately. So let me also show you what are the other things I do. This is a box full of, this is, as you can see, this is egg shells. Okay, egg shells which is ground into fine powder, which is important for vermicomposting. Then another thing which worms love a lot is, let me show you, this is used coffee waste. Okay, these are the only two things which we separate and keep it for vermicompost. Okay, coffee waste, eggshell waste. What we also do is all the eggshells are collected separately. It's ground into a powder, and then we can use it for vermicompost. Okay, so that in front is the khamba, which is used with black soldier fly maggot kind of composting, and these three trays are vermicompost. Okay, now this is vermicompost is a little more, they have to be a little more careful with vermicompost, but with black soldier fly, this is regular waste. Two things important for regular composting is it should not be wet. As you can see, this is khamba, this is the older one. See, you can see that the black soldier fly, it has come from the larvae. I will remove this. This will be, you can see, these are the maggots. They look disgusting, but they are amazing creatures. They are converting all the waste into beautiful compost. This is the final stage of the khamba. After some time, as you can see, this become quite black. Okay, next is this is brown. This is a spare one which we can use once this one gets full. So let's see how we can dump all the compost. So I am putting all the waste here, including a little bit of paper which I put in the end. Okay, so let me separate. As you can see, with wet waste, over time it starts becoming wet, and when it is wet, that's when bad smell comes. Okay, so once you put this, let me also put the neighbors garbage, all kinds of garbage. Only thing which you can't put here is plastic. Okay, plastic waste cannot be put in this. Other than that, everything else can be put into the khamba. Worms don't like onions, so citrus fruits, onions, garlic peels cannot be put in the vermicompost. We'll come to that soon. But as far as the khamba is concerned, everything goes. Everything can go. You know, this person who has given me this waste has put it in two plastic, so I'll have to remove this plastic. This is the worst thing in garbage. Okay, this is making life miserable. 1 minute, let me open this up. Okay, that was tomato peel. Okay, so this is as far as khamba is concerned. Okay, so this is how the khamba is looking now. Now this is something I'm trying to do, some chatti. I'm just preparing the chatti for